This tutorial will go through the steps to enable a new VOD server in MMS so that the field officers can start their lineup transfer. We've got our checklist. So first we need to add a new machine in Alameda. We go to Alameda and we'll take the George Christchurch Hotel as our example. So site details. Always make sure the status of this site is online or maintenance or installation, because that's the three status MMS will be interested in when it queries the data from Alameda. I go to equipment. So you need to add the machine by clicking the button here. We've already have our machine enabled created here. So if you click the button, you can give the machine a name. Always remember to tag the machine type. It's either Computer Plus or Radiance or Sonata Plus. So once you add machine, you can see the records here. And the second step we have add the remote access method. So you click into the server name that you just added in Alameda. Now we want to add a new remote access method. By the time MMS query the data from Alameda, it will look up for TCP HTTP port number 80. So you want to make sure the server always have the HTTP access method enabled with the proper IP that you would like to use. And once you finish that, what's the third step? The software version. So go back again. Software versions. Add the software version. Remember to give it a proper version so that the data is good to go. And once you finish all that, please notify the operation team so that they can trigger the data synchronization between MMS and Alameda. And once Sam finish that, if you go to MMS, so title management, title lineup, create the lineup, the hotel drop down, you should be able to see this new site, this new VOD server that we just created in Alameda, and then you can start to create your lineups. And remember, you have to enable the categories for this site before you can actually drag the titles into the categories.